If you're looking for something that's quite gentle to the skin, but that's also got anti-aging properties, we'd probably recommend the BeautyPro Retinol Serum. This overnight formula conditions the skin, stimulates collagen production and protects the skin from free radicals. We've used ocean retinol, naturally derived from seaweed, to create a powerful anti-aging formula that reduces fine lines, wrinkles and the appearance of pores. It also evens the skin tone. This is the perfect choice for those of you wanting youthful and healthy skin.